In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group events in Calendly. Whether you're scheduling team meetings, workshops, or just trying to get everyone on the same page, understanding how to create and manage group events in Calendly is a powerful tool. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to Calendly's website. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to calendly.com. If you have not created an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Otherwise, go ahead and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Use your credentials to access your account, and soon you'll be viewing your Calendly dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Calendly homepage. This is your main hub within Calendly, where you can access and manage your event types and scheduling options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. You'll find it quite intuitive and easy to navigate. Next up, on the home page, you should see a Create button. Click on this to start setting up your new event. Calendly offers various event types, but for today's video, we are focusing specifically on group events. Look for the Group option and select it. Group events in Calendly allow multiple invitees to join a single time slot, making it perfect for team meetings, webinars, or any scenario where you'd like more than one person to attend the same session. Now that you've selected the Group option, Calendly will prompt you to fill out some essential details for your event. Start by naming your event. Make sure the name is clear and relates to what the event is about. This helps your invitees know exactly what they're signing up for. You might also want to add a detailed description of the event, which welcomes and informs your attendees about what to expect. Continue customizing your event by setting the location and duration. Here, you have the choice of numerous options, such as online meeting links via platforms like Zoom or Google Meet, or a physical location if that suits your needs. Adjust the duration to fit your meeting requirements. After the basic details are set, consider how you'd like to manage the availability of this event. You can tailor the time slots available for attendees to choose from by personalizing the available dates and times according to your schedule. Remember to review any additional options Calendly offers, such as setting a maximum number of invitees per time slot or customizing email reminders to keep everyone in the loop. Once you're satisfied with your settings, finalize by saving your event. Congratulations, you've successfully created a group event in Calendly. Now you're ready to share the link with your invitees and start collaborating more effectively. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and happy scheduling!